Andito yung mga bagong business partners namin sa AIA Philippines. Tara, samahan niyo ako, interviewin natin sila. Sir Lin, welcome back from China.
Ni hao ma.
Miss Lin, may tanong pala ako. Bakit kahit na procurement head ka na, pinili mo pa rin mag-join dito sa AIA as financial advisor?
Kasi dito sa AIA, well compensated ka na at the same time nakakatulong ka pa sa iba.
Mishi, parang busy-busy ka ngayon dyan ah.
Hi, ma'am. Ay, nag-LMS po ako. Kaya gustong-gusto ko dito sa AIA as a financial advisor. Kasi kahit small business owner ako, I was able to attend to their world-class trainings. And you know what? They have a very supportive community and positive culture.
Kuya V, mukhang nagsasunbathing ka dyan ah.
Napakagawa ka lang, bakit? Call center agent ako. Kaya ako nag-AIA planner para may time freedom.
Wow! Kung ikaw ay naghahanap rin ng excellent compensation, world-class training, and time freedom, PM me so we can schedule the next opportunity program.